I'm shorting the market this weekend and I'm also shorting gold. And I talk about it in this video. What's going on, guys? Johnny here with the Investing for Beginners community and the Learn to Earn community. So if you guys want to be a part of that, simply subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Also, before we begin, check out our first link in the description below. That'll give you access to our Investing for Beginners community.com. We have access to a ton of great resources here for you guys. Trading tools, most recent earnings releases, real-time economic calendar, advanced real-time charts, 3 stages of reversal, 3 stages of position size, blog videos, and everything you would need to learn how to beat the market. This is a community built for you with simple strategies to improve your investing game. And you get to learn a little bit more about me, how I was able to grow a private group with over 100,000 members combined. The Investing for Beginners community right here. Tons of people. As you can see, we have 71,000 at the moment, combined with other social media networks, well over 100,000 people. Also check out the Discord where I give out my trade ideas, what exactly my trading style is, account type, best and favorite indicators, favorite setups, as well as my criteria checklist, all my trading ideas every single day of the week. And you can chat with other people on stuff just like this. So definitely smash that like button, subscribe, hit that first link and second link in the description below, and let's get started. So guys, like I said, I am shorting the market. Now, why is this? Well, because it's overbought. As you can see here, it reached all-time highs of $449.34 here. Now this QQQ is the 1-for-1 of the NASDAQ. So even though it reached highs March 21st, it has been pulling back significantly with a loss of, let's just say right here to here, of 7 or 8%. Now it has been rallying and moving up, but it doesn't mean it necessarily has to move all the way up. Even if it does move up, it's only 1 or 2%. Compared to the downside, you're looking at 6 to 7%. Now, Johnny, 6 or 7% isn't very much. Well, that's where I can tell you you're wrong. Because in order to short the market in the way I want to do it, I am going to go long on SQQQ. Now, this is a triple leveraged ETF that is a reverse ETF for the market. So when the market does poorly, SQQQ does amazingly. And as you can see here, we can see highs of 22% profit. I'm thinking realistically, it'll probably be around 15 or 16%, profiting over $150 on a $1,000 investment. Now, right now I have 17 shares in this company, as you can see here at the $10.68 mark, 17 shares, almost $200. And as it continues to go up, I will continue to add more to my position. Now this account, this cash account, is right over $3,000 currently, and I was able to grow this account from $1,000 in January to where it is now, only 4 months later. That means I've been able to triple my account in 4 months, and it's all by using oversold patterns, signs of confirmation when it's going up in an upward direction, using those 3 stages of reversal chart that I mentioned earlier, and seeing those support levels here get confirmed, and when it bounces off those support levels, to make new highs. Now, not only am I going to be shorting this company, but I'm also shorting gold. So let's talk about gold real quick. JDST is a 2 times ETF of an inverse to a long position on gold. As you can see, JNUG right here is overbought. This is also a 2 times leverage ETF, and they're already showing their signs of descent. Now, they did reach these overbought levels of 42.40. As you can see here, it got around that 42.40 level and then rejected. Every time it rejects, it goes up, rejects, goes up, rejects, goes up, and now it's overextended. I've been watching this company since way down here when it passed over that $39 mark. Now it's creating new highs of that $42 and now showing signs of clear rejection. Now, if this gets rejected, it's going to lose about 17% of its market cap, which is fine to us because we are going to be shorting it. JDST, like I said, is a bear market. So when gold does bad, this company or this ETF does good. And that's exactly what we want. So I have 200 shares currently, right around $766. Now we are up $13 on the day and about $4 total, as you can see here. And I will be adding more to my position as time goes on. Now I didn't catch it right here at the bottom and losing, about 6%, but has the potential from where I am currently to go up even to this small red line. You're like, oh, that doesn't look like that much, Johnny. Well, it definitely is, guys. That's a 15% profit to get just to this red level. Now, it did previously get to that 464 level, so if it did make it up to those levels, then we can easily see a profit of 21%. So I am shooting for this 438 range, or about 14 to 15% profit. That would give me about $150 in profit over the weekend. Now, Monday morning we wake up and it's in those levels, you can guarantee I will be selling and locking in profits. Now, Monday morning comes and it trades a bit sideways or potentially even goes down a little, then I will be adding even more money to my position. Now, I'll probably add some money to my position as it passes this $4 psychological number, which is right here, and possibly when it passes this blue EMA line to get even more. Now, this account does have over $3,000, so I may even trade almost $2,000 in this account. I mean, on this one position, going from say 200 shares to maybe 400, 500, or 600 shares shorting gold. Now, gold has been a little bit overextended for quite some time, so we've been watching this company and waiting for it to make this pullback. 14% profit would just be fantastic. So if you guys like this real short video showcasing all of the information that I did, then definitely subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and I will see you all on Sunday night Stock Talk at 7 p.m. and live every single morning, Monday through Friday at Market Open. We'll see you there, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.